Hey, if you live in Albany, Georgia, I want to go ahead and extend my hand to you and say, hey, I'll do a free supplement for you. 100% complimentary. And you might be sitting there and you're like, roofing supplements? And if you don't know what roofing supplements are, then this video is probably not for you. If you are a roofer and you go through the insurance company because of the wind and the hail damage and the tornadoes and the natural disasters and all this different stuff, and you're sitting there and you're like, okay, I heard about these supplements. I heard about using Xactimate. I heard about all this stuff, but I've never done it. I want to take you through that process. I want to do one for you for free, residential, and take you through the process. If it's a $20,000 roof, I might be able to turn it into a $24,000 roof. So if it's a $15,000 roof, I might be able to turn it into an $18,500 roof. If it's a $6,000 roof, I might be able to turn it into a $10,000 roof. I don't know without being able to see the paperwork, right? So you go out to the homeowner's house. The roof gets approved by the insurance company. And you say, let me get the paperwork. They give you the paperwork. You send the paperwork to us. We completely and totally maximize the claim, and we find anything that's missing, any of the code upgrades that need to be that have been missing, anything that has to do with steep charges, high charges. The thing about Georgia is it's one of the best for supplements. It is, I like Houston probably the best, and then Denver's pretty good, and Georgia's just great. There's certain places in America where they don't even have code. Like, think about how crazy that is. It's unbelievable. You might as well just take advantage of it. Click the link in the description. It's going to take you to my website. My phone number's there. Okay, you can call me. Go ahead, and I've got a whole system. So I need a couple things from you, and then once I have those things, I'll put all that stuff into Xactimate, and then we'll just start working with each other. And you might be sitting there and you're like, but what can you do? That's why I do one for free, just to be able to show you, And also, I've got a 9-module training course on my website. So if you click the link in the description, it's going to take you to my website. There's 9 modules, 9 actual courses on here you go. First one is on supplements, what to say, what kind of measurements we need, what type of photos we need, how to send the COC, how to do all that. Number 2 is selling roofs. Number 3 is how to keep track of your leads, Spotio, Hail Recon. There's a whole toolbox in there, Joist is like one of the best apps ever that you probably don't know about. Go ahead and just watch those videos and learn, And I know that a lot of guys have that, well, what does he know that I don't know? I'm a computer guy, The thing about most of you builders, most of you roofers, is you're not really computer people, So you're out there and you're banging it out and it's hot as hell and you're making all this money and you're driving a big old truck and you're happy and you're going fishing and you're going hunting and you're doing your thing. And then people like me are playing around on a computer, So let me extend my hand and just show you some stuff, And you might have a new sales guy or an older sales guy and he's not completely and totally bought in to doing roofing with you, Send him through my course and then he'll be like, oh, there's so much more that he doesn't know, Go ahead and click the link in the description and go through the course. Hit me up, Ask me questions. I'm cool, I'm completely and totally cool. I'm here for you. And if you win, then I win. And if you win, then you'll keep using me, So that's the biggest thing. Like, yeah, I'm willing to do this work for you for free just to get you started, It's like, there's this movie called, what is it called? It's got Denzel Washington. He sells this stuff called Blue Magic, and it's drugs, and he is able to sell the drugs cheaper than everyone, but have a better product. That's what we were, the Blue Magic of supplement companies. We know what we're doing. We have a system. Like, you'll see the system, and you'll be like, oof. This is nice. Keep track of everything that you've ever done. Just makes more sense that way. I need a, You might be thinking like, I need an assistant. Our system is pretty much an assistant. Yell at me when you get a chance. Have a great day. Thank you.